Today we will learn how to check whether two lines are parallel or not. Suppose we are given two lines, line L and line M. Are these two lines parallel? Give it a thought. Let us tell you. Let us draw a transverse line P which intersects line L and line M. These different angles constructed by the line P are as follows. Keeping in mind the shape of F, the pair of corresponding angles. You must remember that if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. Is the measure of each corresponding angles the same here? Let's find out. If we make this angle on the trace paper and keep it at its corresponding angle, we see that both the angles cover each other perfectly. That is, they are equal. Similarly, with the help of the protractor, let us find out whether this pair of corresponding angles are equal or not. We see that the measurements of these two angles are the same, that is, they are equal. Since all pairs of corresponding angles are equal, the line L and M are parallel here. In this way, if a transversal cuts two lines in such a way that the corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Now, keeping in mind the shape of Z, find out which pair of alternate interior angles are there. So here are the pairs of alternate interior angles. We can also find out whether the line L and line M are parallel by considering the alternate interior angle. Let's understand this. You must remember that if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal line, then the measurement of each pair of alternate interior angle is the same. If we make this angle on a trace paper and place it at its alternate interior angle, then the two angles cover each other completely, that is, their measurements are equal. This is true for all pairs of alternate interior angle. Since each pair of alternate interior angles is equal here, we can say that the line L and the line M are parallel lines. In this way, if a transversal cuts two lines in such a way that the alternate interior angles are equal, then those lines are parallel. We know that if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. If we observe here, in this pair of interior angles formed on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, that is, the sum of these is 180 degrees. So we can say that the line L and the line M are parallel lines. With this, we can say that if a transversal cuts two lines in such a way that the pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then we say that the lines are parallel. In this way, you can now check the parallel lines with the corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, and interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Today we learned how to check whether two lines are parallel or not. In the next video, we will see some examples related to this concept.